Hi everyone, let's make some cornbread. Okay, hi, what's up? It's Roy. Thank you guys so much for joining. Little change up today because Mom's here. Hey Mom.
Hello.
We're making Jiffy Cornbread. Now if you look at this box, you say, how special is that? Well, we're gonna take you through.
Everybody should know how to make the Jiffy Cornbread. This is easy.
Yes, okay, so step one.
You put the cornbread inside of a bowl. You give yourself a third a cup of good old milk. And then make sure it's sweet cornbread. You want to put in at least a tablespoonful of definitely sugar. Crack you a little egg right quick and pop that over in there as well. This is quick. And then you just use it all and mix it all together real carefully and smoothly. And if you doesn't do smooth, you need to add a little bit more milk. And you should make sure you stir it good, because that's exactly where the love is. It's the way you stir it. And make sure every little morsel is nice and moist.
While she's stirring that up, guys, listen, I know you're thinking to yourself, I need some cornbread too. Well, this is where you go. You go and you get this box, and you may or may not have it at your place of shopping. That's okay, just so long as it's a corn muffin mix. And what did you just add there, Mom?
A little bit more milk, because I like mine nice and creamy.
Oh, okay. There's a certain viscosity that it has to have. Wait, viscosity, that's not the right word. Viscosity is not the right Viscosity is for oil, which is what she's spraying in the pan right now. Well, this is a perfect transition. How do you prepare the pan?
Just a little bit of canola oil. And this is a wonderful pan to make. This is called the Pampered shelf. I don't even think they make it anymore, but they might. This wonderful collection is a family heritage, and it makes the best cornbread in the world. And so then you put all the cornbread in.
Is there a certain way you pour it in?
No, you just pour it in and you make sure that it is all come out of the pan, just like this, okay? All right, and then you put it all into the bottom. I always make sure I get it all out. That's why I use a spatula.
That's great. Now my question is, while you're doing that and putting it into the proper kind of thing, what should I set the temperature of the oven to?
It's 400 degrees.
400 degrees?
Put it on there, and you don't need to, and then you can set the time. It usually says 400 degrees.
We'll preheat the oven. Oven is doing its preheating thing. That's good. And what's the time for?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. All right, so that's one of the key things that you have to do. You're doing such a really nice job there. The ingredients are simple. You find it on the box.
Put it in the oven.
And now it's ready to go into the oven here.
Yes.
I'll open the oven now, and it'll go in just like so. There you go.
20 minutes, we'll show you what it looks like.
And 20 minutes. Cook time. And in 20 minutes, we will check it out and see how it goes, right?
Yes.
Gotta have the mittens. Mittens are always good. Look at this. Oh, it's like a nice. Look at that. You see that? Woohoo! We'll sit that right there. Well, there you go. Big fresh roll loaf of cornbread to go with any sort of chili on a cold day like today. And when you cut into the cornbread, it looks like this. Look at this. Oh, just nice golden brown. Whoa. And then you take that piece and put it right into your beef stew. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Guys, let me know if you like this. Hopefully you did. And if you're making some, that'll be good. I'll check in with you next time.